So, as shown on page 480 in the book, all we're going to do is just use a general journal, and we're just going to journalize all of our adjustments that we made on the worksheet. So I'm on the work together. So we've got our worksheet that was given to us. Section for. There's the same worksheet that you all used on the test for chapter 15. So we've got all these adjustments that were on here. So we're just going to put all those onto one journal. So shows on the example on page 480. General journal. And we're just going to title it adjustments, because you can have a general journal for a lot of different things. So this is for our entry adjustments. So we'll just write on here adjusting entries. You can see that we go back and forth, the debit and credit, just like they are on the worksheet. So, and this is end of the year stuff. So December 31st. We've got our first one listed, uncollectible accounts expense. So we go to our worksheets, going down through the list of everything. We find uncollectible accounts expense, $1,500 in the debit column. So in our general journal, debit column, $1,500. And then we had our allowance for uncollectible accounts. So you won't really have to look at this, because you know it's going to be the same thing. So on the other side of your worksheet, our allowance for uncollectible accounts was $1,500 in the credit. So we'll just put that over here in credit. Our next one down, we have income summary. Let me double check this. That doesn't sound right. Yeah, the book's got this one backwards. Now that that's why I had the pencil on here. So on this next line, the book has these out of order. that line in the book where it says income summary, that really should be merchandise inventory. Because if you look on your worksheet, the merchandise inventory, that's in the debit column. So the way our worksheet or our general journal is going to work out, it's going to be debit credit, debit credit, debit credit, debit credit, debit credit.
What page is that in
480. So instead of income summary on that next line down, we're going to put merchandise inventory. So we'll have merchandise inventory. We go to our worksheet. It's 1848.25 on the debit. And now we can use that income summary under that.
Is that 1848?
Yeah. And you can see, find income summary on here somewhere. Oh yeah, here it is. Up here at the very top on line 28. Income summary, 1848.25. See, it's in the credit. So that's how everything's going to be listed. You're going to have your debit, credit, debit, credit, debit, credit, all the way down. Just for some reason the book got this one, got this one misprinted. So the next line, our supplies expense, office. So here it is on our worksheet. Supplies, office, 1448.55. So we have our supplies for the office. $1448.55. Yeah.
What is the second one? Yeah, right there, supplies.
Supplies for office.
And then page 3 for store.
Yeah, the next one's going to be for store. So our next one's going to be our supplies expense for store. So our supplies for the store, the 3248.11. So then our supplies for store just goes under here. $3248.11. So our next one is going to be insurance expense. $11,000 in debit. Money spent on prepaid insurance. $11,000 in credit. Then we have a depreciation expense for office equipment and store equipment. And that is $3,410 for office. So that's going to be labeled that one accumulated. Accumulated depreciation. Office, I get filled in. 3410. I don't know if this. Then the next page is do all these expenses in order. So if we got our depreciation for office equipment, they're going to have depreciation for store equipment. Okay, so depreciation for store equipment, $6,420. So that means our next line, accumulated depreciation for store equipment. It's going to be $6,420 in credit. And then I think that should be almost it. Just want to make sure we got one last thing. Okay, so we got this one, got this one, got this one, that one, did that one. Let's make sure there's. Okay, we got the merchandise inventory. Okay, so the last one it leaves is our federal income tax expense. That's the 3948.91. And then just like it shows in the book, the very last one, yeah, federal income tax payable for our last line. And that is 3948.91. And that's it. Easy peasy. So yeah, just listing all the adjustments from the worksheet. Or in a general journal, just another piece of information the business can use when they want to research past year expenses. Something else that can be looked at. So there's the work together. So you've got a good example for the on your own. So do the on your own, and then I still need the study guide page.